Milk powder face mask for glowing skin. Milk powder, 1 spoon. Right from treating acne to giving you younger looking skin, milk powder has numerous beauty benefits. Aloe vera gel. Soothing, sunburns and skin injuries. Fading dark spots and stretch marks. Soothing skin conditions. Moisturizing skin. Mix. Slowing signs of aging. Managing acne. Aloe vera is a great natural moisturizer and can help to soothe dry skin. Glycerin, few drops. Applying glycerine to your skin traps moisture in your skin and gives it a youthful, healthy glow. Mix well. Moisturizes the skin, removes dead cells, improves skin elasticity, reduces acne and blemishes, along with reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and remove dark spot. Before applying the pack on the skin should be cleaned thoroughly. Apply it to your face. It's considered an effective panacea for crystal clear skin just like milk. Is rich in lactic acid, which naturally cleans and brightens skin. Wait for it to dry. Wash off it.